So I was asked to do an airworthiness directives project and a short summary on AD 2014-02. The amendment is the 39-11811. The effective date, which is the date it's effective from, obviously, is the 28th of July 2000. The docket number being 2000-NM-209-AD. The service bulletin 737-23A1170, dated the 27th of April 2000. The problem was bad positioning of the VHF radio antenna on the plane led to loss of communication between the flight crew and ATC while on the ground. The action was to install a BAC 270CC 3235 placards on both captains and first officers' P3-1 panels. These placards would inform the flight crew to use the VHF radio 2 while on the ground, as opposed to radio 1. An alternate may be used but must be approved by Seattle ACU, FAA, and Transport Airplane Directorate. Compliance to be completed within 30 days of the effective date, which was the 28th of July 2000. This is a one-time modification, so no repeat due dates are required. The audit was done on the aircraft type of the B737-700 series, the registration being VT-S in the flight hours were 4,133 and the flight cycles were 3,149. The thing was complied with. The date of compliance was 21st of the 10th, 2001. You have your work order number and your date on your right hand side. Two notes. First one being the date of compliance is outside of the due date. The listed information refers to an alternate compliance. The original method in AD 2000-14-02 was complied with on the 19th of the 8th, 2000. Note: VHF COM1 and VHF COM2 antenna coax cable was interconnected as prescribed in SB 737-23A1170. Placard installation was also inspected and found to be there. Thank you.